Okay, yes, we're early, but I put some lights out on the tree outside, but the wind whipped the string of lights right off.
But I don't think you're early in that. I think a lot of people want to do that before there's any snow or any ice on the trees.
I had to get it in the ground, like the solar panel in the ground before it froze.
And I'm all about the light outdoors in the winter before the season because the sun goes down so early. Yeah. If you are thinking about stringing up any lights tomorrow or Thursday, you're in good shape because we will have sunshine. Yes, it's still cold, so you'll probably need gloves, but there's less wind, and that's really the key to the forecast here these next few days. A weak system comes in on Friday with really just a few showers. I don't see much more than that. And then the weekend, it's just more of the same. So if you're thinking of doing some decorating this weekend, I think you'll be in good shape for that too. 37 right now in Portland. We're down to 30 in Sanford, 32 degrees in Lewiston, and 36 in Bar Harbor. We have a mostly clear sky across much of the state. There was some cloud cover in the mountains and up north, but that will be diminishing, and that's because high pressure is going to build right on top of us. And as it does, it pushes this storm system to our south. It'll cut through the mid-Atlantic, and we're not going to be dealing with anything from that. So temperatures do slide back tonight. It's a cold start tomorrow morning. We'll drop down to 26 in Portland, 26 in Waterville, and 21 degrees in Freiburg first thing in the morning. Hour by hour through the day, it's mostly sunny tomorrow, and there will be less cloud cover up in the mountains. So even there, it should turn brighter. The best thing, though, about tomorrow's weather, less wind. So if you are going to be outside tomorrow afternoon, you can dress for temperatures that feel like the actual temperatures as opposed to the wind chill, which we've had to factor in these last several days. Thursday looks very similar, a mix of sunshine and clouds, and with high pressure right overhead. The wind is light on Thursday, too. Then for Friday, this drifts to the south, so we may turn slightly milder, mid-40s, maybe even a few upper 40s on parts of the coastline. There just isn't much moisture with this front, so we're looking at a few showers that come in midday into the afternoon on Friday. Could be some snowflakes that mix in the mountains up near the international border, but I just don't think there's going to be much out of this. Then the front goes by. As long as it keeps moving, we pretty quickly clear out on Saturday, and temperatures will be in the 30s up north to low 40s in central and southern Maine. So it looks like a pretty good start to the upcoming weekend. Here's a look at the wind gusts over these next several days. Today we had gusts as high as 36 or 37 miles per hour. So much better tomorrow and Thursday, and just a little breeze that kicks up for Friday and Saturday. Here's a marine forecast. Seas 1 to 2 feet tomorrow with a light northwest wind on the water. Lots of sunshine ahead here these next couple of days. Temperatures just staying in the same range we've been for about a week, mainly in the low to mid 40s each day. A few afternoon showers on Friday, but I just don't think there's a ton of moisture with that system. And then the weekend looks mainly dry and maybe a few flurries or sprinkles on Monday, but that's taking you through the next 7 days and no big storms as we see it now.
No extremes there.
Pretty quiet.
Okay, Ryan, thanks so much.
You're welcome.